Hey guys, it's Tim from Pro Wrestling Unlimited, and we're here with another unboxing from the good people at Pro Wrestling Crate. So let's pop this puppy open and see what we've got inside. Alright, so, first things first, as always, show you guys first. Oh man, save that t-shirt. I know what this t-shirt is, I can see it. I'm going to save the t-shirts for last. Alright, so first up, we've got the card that tells you what we've got. I don't want to know what we've got. The theme, tag teams back again. First off, we have a sticker. The sticker is the Young Bucks. I really like the sticker. It says the Young Bucks, best tag team in the world. That's really cool. Next up, with the theme of tag teams, we do have a DVD from the High Spots Wrestling Network, The Briscoes, a complete moron's guide on how to man up. Next up, let me open this here. It's the Brawler, the Micro Brawler, and it is Road Warrior Hawk. We already have the Road Warrior Animal one, so this does complete the tag team. Alright, so this item's pretty cool. It's from the Rock and Roll Express. It's a pair of headphones. A pair of headphones. The box or the case says the Rock and Roll Express. Earbuds. That's pretty cool. Alright, so every month in the Pro Wrestling Crate, you do get an exclusive pin, and this month, it's the best friends forever, Chuck E. T. and Trent Beretta. Alright, now we got the autograph. Let's see who this autograph is from, and it is, ooh, I got this, I like this, Axe and Smash, Demolition. Second longest reigning tag team champions, I may say, in the WWE. Alright, so finally, in every Pro Wrestling Crate, you do get 2 t-shirts, and the first t-shirt we do have here, The Faces of Fear, Men and the Barbarian. That's a pretty dope shirt. That looks sick. Alright, now this shirt. I really like this shirt. I can already see the design on it. It is Kenny Omega, Kota Ibushi, Golden Lovers. That's a really, really cool shirt. I really like this one. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this month's unboxing of the Pro Wrestling Crate. We got a really cool pin, DVD, sticker, Micro Brawler, t-shirts, autograph, the earbuds. So, I mean, if you guys want to get your very own Pro Wrestling Crate, go over to ProWrestlingCrate.com and use promo code HOME to get 20% off of your purchase. And next month's crate is themed Women of Wrestling. It is the first time any Pro Wrestling Crate service is in a women's only crate. Like, no items from men, just women. If you do want to get that, you do have to order by June 10th. Have a good day, guys.